You're not easy in the bubbles. You always have something juicy.
You sure you want to be a part of this?
What you mean? I want to see that boy get fixed.
Remember your condition, you know, miss.
Bubbles, I'm pregnant. I'm not handicapped.
You tell him yet?
No.
So what you wait for? I hope you not think about abortion, you know.
Bubbles, me not think about it, you know. But all of this new for me, you know. Plus me and shopping together.
A joke you make, right? When you are shop, you gotta stop fooling yourself. You know, sister, the two are madly in love.
That ain't enough, you know. I love him, yes. And I know him feel about me. But we try the living thing and it never work out.
What do you think caused that?
Me?
You.
Winston, your carry on look like it full. I'm gonna like it. Careful, yeah? Careful. Where you go?
I touch road.
So road not have no name. Winston, I ask you a question, you know.
I think we done talk to you about this already and say I understand fine.
Me understand, but me vex right now. I'm in the middle of my vex. So it's when me done vex, me talk to you. Maybe me never really feel live with that man at the time. I know how my temper stay.
So what? You think you're too aggressive in the relationship?
Sometimes. Plus, but I feel deal with him baby mother and the whole take thing and the badness.
That's why you can't be so hard on yourself. A whole heap you that deal with, you know.
You see, after the container incident, I promised myself say I not get back involved with him in a certain way.
5. Shappy my nephew. I love him and all. But sometimes tough love, you have to show that to make a person know say you care. I promise myself say, if me hear or see him in anything illegal, me go lock him up myself.
So that really lock up your nephew, Bubbles?
5, I would have a choice. The man will help me get my security company. Him knows a shopping about this. And me as an agent, never do nothing about it. Me look bad. That's why I'm beg him to stay on the straight and narrow.
You see why me that tell us me that think about abortion? I'm not even think me gonna even tell him. Too much things to deal with him. And you can't even trust him to say him gonna stay on the straight and narrow.
I understand your dilemma, but I think him have a right for know. Who knows? This might put him right on the right path.
I'm not even asleep good at night time. Come on, know so me I make the right decision.
Whatever your decision going to be, it have to be now. Cause I come, this I come.